Now we're here in the factory and in the factory shop. Background noise is manufacturing. This is a new product that I got in. It's a fiberglass fiddle case, and I love the buckle system on it, the opening and closing ratchet system. It fits the fiddle to a T. Two bows in on top, and it fits literally like a glove. So you can see how she goes in. Everything is protected. She's small, she's neat, with good, look at that, clasping. Close it, and she just locks in herself. That's it. Open the same way. It has carrier straps, shoulder straps for carrying on your back. Now this was €189, and we're doing a discount on it now, down to 150 for the next fortnight. And this is the only colour I have it in now, is a unburled silver grey. It's a lovely colour, and she's a metallic grey as well.